Hi, I hear you sixth graders want to learn about integers. Slenderman will explain.
Well, I don't want to. Maybe Paintball Man can.
Well, I guess I'll do it anyway.
Okay, so red cards represent negative, yellow cards represent positive. Our equation today, our word problem, is a very rich man named Rich bought 15 cars, but his wife returned 5. How many cars does he have left? Okay, so we get the 15 yellow cars and 5 red cars, and 0 pairs are when there is a positive and a negative, and we have 5 0 pairs. So we take away the 0 pairs. Oh. And then we have our answer, positive 10. Still, red is negative, yellow is positive. And this is an addition problem. So we line the cars up, and then we do the 0 pairs. So, 1 0 pair, 2 0 pair, 3 0 pair, 4 0 pair, 5 0 pair, 0 pair. And there's our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Tony Stark owed Toyota 13 used cars, but Toyota already had 15 cars. If Tony Stark gave Toyota his cars, how many used cars would Toyota have? Now, first we get 13 red cars, and then we get 15 yellow cars. And so we add them together and make 0 pairs. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer's 2.
Alright. For the next problem we have is 3 plus negative 5. And so what you do is, 3 times negative 5, my fault. So what you have to do now is you have to multiply it all out. And so you do 3 times 5, which is 15. And since now there's 2 negatives in the problem, the answer will have to be positive 15. And so that's how you would solve that. Alright, the next problem we have is a multiplication problem. It is 2 times negative 5. And so we have since there's 2 times negative 5, it's 2 groups of negative 5. And so here we have negative 5. So we have now 2 groups of negative 5. And so when you multiply it, you have 10. So the problem was 2 times negative 5. So when you have a problem like this, and there's a negative number, and then there's a positive number, so you have a positive and a negative. When you multiply it, there's automatically a negative, just because that's how the rules of multiplication work. And so your answer will be negative 10. Now, for the next problem, we are doing 7 yellow cars plus negative 4 cars, which are the red. And so what we do is we have 7 yellow plus 4. So now we just make 0 pairs. So those are out, these are out, these are out, and then these are out. So final answer is positive 3. And that's how you would model that.
Thanks for listening.
Now do the horologic.